Hello.
Hello. Hello, hello. Welcome. Welcome, welcome. How are you today? Yeah, that was well time. Yeah. All good? Nice. Okay. So, today we'll be implementing the inventory screen for the game. Maybe we will do a little bit of map rework. I want to first make the stairs before I start the map record. I don't know if you have noticed, but I usually try to have the starting screen only for about 5 minutes. Give it a take. Usually 5 minutes plus. Yeah, so it's not actually that hard to time it. Well, it's not as hard as it would be otherwise. Yeah, for sure. Yeah. I'm a bit tired today, mainly because at my job they assigned me a bunch of tasks and I got them done. And I told them, hey, check this out. Check if there any issues. And only after like 6 hours, they come back and tell me, hey, there are issues. We just started checking them. And I was like, but you had like the entire day to check it and give me the feedback. And you waited until the last minute to check it. Yeah. So annoying. But what can you do? Yeah. A whole month? That's awful. The longest I had gone without stuff being checked is a week. Yeah. Well, that's not true. There are some stuff that I sent like 6 months ago and they have not checked it. I'm pretty sure the things I did are no longer even valid because of the changes to the system. So yeah, I think that work is just going to get discarded. Yeah. Yeah, we have a similar notification system. We also have a policy where I cannot upload changes to the system by myself. I propose the change, someone else has to check it and approve it, and then the change goes through. So it requires at least 2 people. to make changes in the system. Yeah. It's a nice system, if it not were by the fact that uh, usually there is only one or two people actually checking stuff. And some people don't even actually check it, they just hit approve. Yeah. Well, we have an environment for testing where we can literally destroy the whole database without worrying. We have an environment for development where we can upload any changes we have anytime we want. And we have a production environment where only the client and some very particular people are approved to upload changes. Yeah. We, the developers, never upload directly to production. We upload to development, and within development, there is a branch called master where we have the things that we approved of, and every week or so the person in charge moves whatever is in master to production. Yeah. We don't have access to backups, mainly because the information of the client has a lot of sensitive information, so we cannot touch the backups. We can make fake information to work with, but we cannot touch the actual information the client uses. There is a lot of names, addresses, credit card numbers, information that comes directly from government. So that information we cannot access either. Yeah. Only a handful of developers can actually play with that information. Yeah. No, we pretty much every project I work on has sensitive information in one way or another. Yeah. It's either names of people with a lot of money and their personal data, or data we got from government, like credit card, no, not credit card, ID, personal ID information, social security stuff, numbers. We also get sometimes bank accounts, numbers. So yeah, that's super important. Yeah. I only had like 4 or 5 times I have gotten my hands on that kind of information. And only because I need it to do work. Yeah. We also get the security keys, the ones that are used to log in into databases. Yeah. And encryption keys. Yeah. So there is a lot of security on my side. In fact, my computer is a bit of a fortress. I have like 6 different VPNs, 3 firewalls, a bunch of security extra. Yeah, my computer is probably more secure than most companies' systems. My passwords are like 25 characters long, with like numbers, letters, special characters, usually randomly generated. Yeah. Yeah, I don't have that kind of power. And even if I had, they will find out pretty easily who did it. Because we have logs of everything. Yeah. Actually, I got maybe twice the power to do something like that. And I believe I got scolded once because I was playing with the code. I was putting comments in the code, just playing around, making smiley faces in the comments, telling jokes in the code and stuff like that, and I got scolded. I didn't quite understand why until my boss told me, hey, if the if the client requests an audit, if he requires basically an audit of the procedure of the development, they are going to see your smiley faces and stuff. So no playing around. Yeah. I also got scolded because I made a system a little bit too good. We were making a map that tracks vehicles like trucks and buses in the map, showing them all in real time. And because I had nothing to do, because we were waiting for information from the client, I started implementing improvements just because. Mainly because I know a lot of video game stuff. I started improving the drawings on the map. So they made like the dots of Pac-Man, the little dots Pac-Man needs in the map instead of just a dotted line. And I made the bosses make a sound each time they touch a ball. And I also made it so each time the boss reached a stop, a little pop-up will come up saying arrive at something something something. Yeah. And I got scolded at that time also because the client loved it, the things I made with the map, but because we had to make the program for Android and iOS, the things I made in Android, the guy developing for iOS, he just couldn't replicate, so they told me to remove everything I added because the client was asking, hey, why is the Android version so good and the iOS version so crappy? So yeah, I got scolded for that one too. Yeah. Since then, I just make whatever they tell me to do, and I no longer add extra stuff. Yeah. What's the meme when you are overqualified for the job? Okay. Let us play a bit of Russian roulette. 1, 2, 3. What? That's in Chinese, and I cannot read it. I don't know if I should keep it or not, because since I don't know what it says, it might be something bad. So this one I'm going to just discard. Yeah, you do things for convenience, yeah. Yeah, but because I'm used to automate stuff, after the first few weeks at work, I have a lot of stuff automated. So I have a lot of free time sometimes. So at those times I start making upgrades, and that's when I get into trouble. Yeah. For me, it's painful to read the documentation. Mainly because I think, this could be done better this way. And when I try to make it, I get scolded because they tell me, no, it's the reason is like that is because the secretary doesn't know how to do it the efficient way, so we are going to keep it the way she knows how to do it. Yeah. A lot of improvements I could make get rejected because the ones using the system are not willing to learn the new way. Yeah. You had made 3 approved changes with that. That's nice. Sometimes my recommendations get accepted, but from every 5 recommendations I made, only 2 get approved. Sort of. Yeah. About that amount. Yeah. I see. Uh, since I'm a full stack developer, I go everything from what the user sees all the way to the database. Usually the changes I made are pretty noticeable. Yeah. Let me try again with the Russian roulette. Real quick. 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's funny. If I was playing Ultra Kill, this hat will be pretty useful. Yeah, American hat. Yeah, usually the changes I suggest get rejected because they are based on video game knowledge. For example, the number of clicks to get through a menu, which functions are used more than others. So you could make just some quick access here and there, but they don't want that. They usually want it made in such a way that the users, the secretaries that are going to use the system, have to learn as little as possible. Yeah, it's sad. Okay, let me change to the depth screen.
Hello.
Hello. I want my hat. Hat. I wish I could separate these the items I get in the workshop into categories. That would be very useful because right now everything is kinda just thrown together into the same file. which is very annoying. Where is the hat? That's the reason why I get so... I had so much trouble finding stuff in here. Where is it? Okay. See you later. Safe travels. Good luck. Ah, there it is. Okay, then let us continue. I have to make some adjustments to the inventory system. So let us begin with that. I believe I made a UI item. This is controls item UI. I believe this is the screen. Okay, we have this to trigger the menu. Okay. That looks good. This is the outline. Art. Charts. Okay, okay. Okay. So next I want to make a grid for the items. So we have this right now. I think I'm going to... Yeah. I'm thinking maybe, well, these controls are not going to be there forever, so maybe you could just ignore those. Okay, so I want a grid right here. Hold on, let me see the item screen for the original Zelda. Let's see. Zelda 1996 inventory. Okay, this is the list of items. I need the screen. Inventory screen, please. Okay, so I see they have a little square with the 8 items you can get. the use of items. Then you have a row. Well, maybe I should just show it on stream. 1 second. Let me close this. So we have this, right? We have the inventory right here. That these are the usable items. These are the passives. We have 5 passives. A selected item. The Triforce. You have collects 4. And then we have a map. The counters for money, for keys, and for bombs. Whatever is in each button, A or B. And then we have HP, the hearts over here. Okay. Given this structure, I believe I should be making something like this is going to be the heart basis, right? I'm planning to having the hearts up here in this rectangle. Then I want to have here the counts like arrows, bombs, etc. right here. And then I want to have the other items over here. And down here I want to have the passives in the bottom. Maybe I should delimit each area to begin with. So let us start with that. So I'm going to use this outline for hearts. Okay, I need to make a way to divide this screen into something more workable. So let's say call this W, and it's going to be the room width over division. And we're going to have height over division. Okay, let's set this to the top left, right there. And then we will go to ×2 to make a little square. Okay, let's see how does that look like. Okay, interesting. There is a little off in the vertical for some reason. Huh. Hmm, that's odd. I was trying to think the reason for that. Huh. For some reason it's not at 0, which is interesting. Well, this is not at 0 either. Oh, I see. What's the issue? It's because this is wrong. That should fix it. Yeah, there we go. Hmm. Okay, how about we set the hearts starting from this location to have a little bit of a margin, and we will go times 3 times 4. And this would be, let's say, times 10. Okay, let's check it out. Ah, it crashed. W not set before reading. Oh, I see. I'm missing on the score. That kinda looks nice. But maybe it's a bit too long. So maybe let's set this to 9. Okay, that looks kinda okay. Okay, let me make another one. I'm going to set this over here. And we will start at as the outline for the heart. Let's set it for the counters. It will start at 11. Height of 2. Probably go up to 12. And let's set this to 10. So I'm expecting doing a little vertical bar. Not quite what I had in mind. So let's set this to 10. I'm going to set this to 20 and make the next area. This will be for the items. You will start at 12. We will go until 20. No, right there. Let's say 19. 19. Well, that's not correct. Let me make the code larger so you can actually see it. Okay, let's drop this to 19 also. That doesn't look correct. Let me change the outlines so it's a bit easier to tell them apart. Okay, parts I'm going to place it in red. The counters white, the items yellow. Ah, I see. Okay. The issue lies on the fact that I'm not taking into account that I'm starting on 12. So this should go to 11. And this... Actually, this is correct. This one should start at 13 and then in 18. And just the same over here. That should kinda fix the proportions. Not quite. Maybe I should make the hearts a little bit shorter. So I will set this to 8. This can go down to 9. And this to 11. This will start at 12. And 8 needs to drop by 1. There we go. That's more like it. Okay, this is the counters. This is the area for items. This is going to be the hearts. And this is going to be the area for passives. Let me make the area for passives real quick. So the orleans should be the same as as the hearts, just lower. Let's try 10 and 12 to begin with. We will be playing with the vertical here. That's just perfect. Maybe one more down. So 11 and this will go to 17 actually. There we go. Those are some nice locations. Yeah. Okay, now that I have this, oh, I need to add the stuff. Let's see. If I press this, it shows the bombs. It kinda almost fits perfectly what I wanted. So that's quite nice. Okay, I'm going to use this function. And I probably should separate this function onto its own stuff. Let's call this raw counters. And I'm going to receive. Let me put some spaces here so my mind works. Oh, I forgot to remove the game. Works more cleanly. So I can receive an X and a Y. I can calculate this on my own. And what I'm going to do is this is for the sprite that I'm going to use sprite underscore bump. What's that? Sub image -1, okay. X and Y location. Let's put this at X, Y. For now. And I will just place this right here. And I will just set this here. Real nice. Let's see how it looks real quick. Actually, hold on. I'm missing div. That is 20. So I'm just going to real quick switch that. That looks kinda nice, actually. Not exactly what I wanted, but it looks nice. Underscore bump drop. And here's where I'm going to start making this interesting. So what I'm going to do is set this plus W and this one plus 8. That should give me that's nice, but not quite what I wanted. The height is correct. The issue lies with the position over here. So I'm going to just split that in half. And then I want to draw some text. Draw text. And it would be on this position. And the text will be the counter for the player would be object underscore player dot bombs. Over object underscore player max bombs, and this needs to be a string. And I need a plus right here. Let's see how that looks. Not quite. Okay. I think I'm going to just flat out remove this one. And I will remove the spacing right here. Oh, I forgot to close the game. Not quite. Maybe I can make this over 4 and this can go to be half. And the height, I think I'm going to half it also. Better, but not quite. I'm going to half that, and this is going to be just a W, maybe. W is too much. So let's set this to over 3. No. Times 2. Now that looks nice. Okay. Now let's see. It should upgrade change with the yeah, that looks nice actually. Okay, I think I want to make something interesting right here. Yeah, I'm going to change this color. If player bombs greater than 0, then this is going to be white. Else the color is going to be red. If the player bombs are equal or greater than or max bombs, the color is going to be blue. So right now I don't have any bombs, so my number is red. Now it's white. If I keep collecting bombs, that's 4. Six. I need to fix that pathfinding. I think it's necessary. 8, there we go. So now when I press this, that's blue. Okay, if I use 1, that's up. Nice. Okay. Yep. Okay, now that I have that, I want to add the counter for money. So I just set these bombs. Bombas. Actually, I could just create a function. Function raw counter to do this job. I can just grab this. Let's see. Okay. So I just need to set the coordinates. Uh, I need the value, comma max. I need the sprite value max. Okay. So I can set this there. This is the max. That one. This value is right there. Okay, I think that's generic enough. So now counter. I will give you the x, the y, the sprite, value, and max. Okay, let me set this to comment just to check if it works correctly. And this should be working as I expect. Yeah, there we go. That's 4, 5, 6. Not quite. Come on. Right now it's working as expected. I just want to check the last one. Come on, give me at least one. There we go. And that's the max value. Perfect. Okay. So if that worked correctly, that means I can just add the sage. Right here, and we change this to sprite money layer money and max Nice. That looks actually nice. It was not my intention to draw the one rotating, but it looks nice. So I will just keep it. Maybe I should add another space right there. I can remove this. Yeah, that looks nicer a little bit. Ah. Okay, that's pretty much all the counters I have right now, which is actually kind of nice. Okay, now I need probably I should set up the hearts. That's probably my next mission right here. Okay, so that's the counters. This is the shards. Okay, let's make that function. Should I rename this so it doesn't... So it's easier to tell them apart? Okay, so from here I'm going to receive not there, from here a position. Return hit. Let's call this X and Y. Okay, so basically it's the same thing as this, but I'm going to draw a sprite in a location. Let's set the sprite to our pickup. A small hard drop, I think, is the best option right here. Let's see how that looks to start with. Not bad. It actually looks pretty good. Let me just adjust this a little bit, so it's not so... That's nice. Okay, perfect. Okay, now we have this location, right? Let me draw one more just to check what's up. This needs to be times 2 right to move it to the right. Not just times 2, it needs to be times 4, so a full W. Maybe not a full W. Times 3. I need to define what the step will be. That looks nice. Okay. So this is going to be a step. It's going to be the difference between these two. Actually, the other way around. This is the horizontal step. And we will need a 4, but I equals to 0. I less than 20. I plus plus. Okay, that should give us, if I greater than 10, I will move well, for now I'm going to bring here. Make a bar underscore. Actually, I can do the was equals to vector vector 2. The starting position is this on X, and this on Y. And here I'm just going to pass the position on X and position on Y. After each step, I'm just going to set position on dot X. I will just add a step horizontal. Let's run this for 10 and remove the if. Let's see how does that look. Ah, was not set before reading it. Oh, I see. Abort. I forgot an underscore right there. Not bad. That's 10. Actually, I could just run this twice. No need to overcomplicate this. I just set post to be 8 like that. Right, that should be valid. Not quite. Times 2. That's too much. So let's divide this and multiply by 3. Now that's much better. Nice. The only issue is that it's not quite centered. So I'm going to have to move the hearts a little bit. So insert instead of this position, I probably can move it 1 to the right. I made a mistake. This is the one I want to move to the right. A bit too much, it seems. It's about 2.5. That's much better. Yeah, that looks nice. Yeah, nice. Now I just need to limit it to the hearts of the player. So HSP's value is 4, right? So bar should be pat bar. Object player dot hp under 4, that's the number of cards. So I can set it to this. The score limits 0. This is going to be if parts under 10 or equal to 10, you just return parts, else return 10. And we will call this limit 0 right there. And then I'm going to make a new limits. Limit 1. Actually, I don't need the limit 1, right? I can just cards as it is, and we start at 10. Right? That should be correct. I think so. Yeah, that's working correctly. Let me check by collecting some hard pieces. That's 4. Okay. That's 6. Excellent. Eight. 9. 10. That's the 10 hearts. Nice. Nice, it's working as expected. Quite nicely. Yeah. Nice. That looks actually pretty good. I like it. I think I don't know what to do is with this side. Really? Okay, the issue over here is that I'm supposed to have items right here, so that would give me enough space to if I cut it right here, I could have a grid of 9 by 9. But then what do I do with this space down here? I have the passives over here, which so far are still undecided. What to do here? I could just use the 99 in it. I really need to fix the pathfinding of these lines. What to do? What to do? Ugh. Maybe I'm going to need to make a few more sprites for the items in the inventory. I also feel like I'm going to need to fix this. I don't like how it looks. Maybe. Maybe align it to the right. Let me see. I believe there is a horizontal line. I think I maybe should use this. Okay, let's see how that looks. Yeah, that doesn't look correct. That means I need to adjust this right here a bit more to the right. So how about if I remove these ones to begin? Let's see. Okay, the height should stay. This one needs to go a little bit more to the right. That's actually almost perfect. Maybe a little bit more to the right. That's too much. 2.5. Okay, that looks better. Yeah. Or maybe I could just center it. What did I do there? This is not quite... Or was it? Yeah, this is what I was working on. Yeah. A bit more to the right. Too much. Maybe that's correct. I'm not sure. Maybe I will just leave it like this. But the issues comes when we have zeros to the left, right? Hmm. Well, for now, I will leave it like this. For now, for now. Okay. So I don't really need this one. Well, I will keep it, just in case. So we have that. Whew. Okay, I think that looks fairly well. Fairly good. Let me see. Ammo count so far is good. I need to add the empty heart slots. That's also an issue. Hello, welcome back. Welcome, welcome. What is this? Right. Yeah. Mainly because I had a lot to do at work. So programming after programming is a bit tiresome. More annoying than anything. Yeah, it's because my job by default requires me to think a lot. And what am I doing? Hold on. I need to duplicate this. Now I can build this up.
Are you muted?
Damn it, I muted. Yeah, I'm a bit sleepy mainly because I work at programming and then I go straight into game development. That means that I'm tired usually, especially if the day at the work was a bit heavy. Mainly because my job is mentally draining. That's basically why. Yeah. That's why I commit silly mistakes like forgetting I'm muted. Ah. Yeah. Ah. Okay, I want to draw the empty one right here. Sprite underscore small heart empty at the same position, but only if you are not full. Bar HP count. Should I? I think I should. Actually, maybe not. Instead, I could just use max HP right there. Yeah, it happens. It happens. Okay. So while you were gone, I made this. Check this out. Actually, let me go over here. That's the new inventory screen. The red area is going to be where you can see how many hearts you have. This blue area will be stuff like passive stuff that you don't need to activate. For example, the shield, the sword, armor pieces and stuff like that. That is just passively active. I'm going to place here. Here on the center, we're going to have the counters, bombs, money, arrows, etc. On the right side, on the yellow area, I plan to have the items you can choose. The bombs, bow, arrows, all the stuff. Well, arrows not. Arrows are going to be here on the center. Right? So right now, for example, if I get hit by this guy, you can see I have some damage. Now I'm missing one heart. But if I hit tab, you can see the 3 hearts are there. That's because it's not marking how much health you have, but how many hearts you have. So if I grab this, I get 4 hearts, right? Yeah, it's not your current health, although I think maybe I should make it the current health, but it's going to be incredibly annoying. Maybe later. Let's leave that problem to future me. Also, I added a little feature. For example, let me see if I can grab some bombs real quick. That's one. That's another. Getting max bombs is a bit hard, mainly because the priority drops instead. The more bombs you have, the less likely you are to get it. Okay, I cannot reach that one, I need to fix that. Nothing there. There you go. You see I have 7 out of 8. When you grab one more and max out, the text turns blue. Right now it's a bit hard to see, just to mark that you're full. I think I'm going to maybe add an outline to the numbers so they are easier to read. Also, if you use your bombs, now the number is red when you are at 0. So you can see when you are low on something, right? And nice, right? Just as a feature, a small detail. Yeah. Ah. I need to fix that issue with the maps. You were just sitting candy? Ah, I have no idea. Your keyboard works on mysterious ways. Ah, soon you will be known as the Candyman. Candy Cadet. Nice. Okay, I think that looks nice for now. Ah, okay. So let me check what's left. But I added it here. But I need to add the empty slots. Okay, let me add it. Pass me won't allow me to to be lazy. Bar underscore count. Okay. Underscore counts plus plus. Actually, plus equals 4. If object underscore player dot HP is greater or equal than count, then we draw a regular red heart. If not, then we draw empty heart. Sprint heart empty. Okay. And this is going to be done over here also. And I need the counts. Okay, let's test it out. Yeah. Okay, so I have my hearts. Looks good. Let me lose some health. Okay. Let's see. They are still showing 3 hearts. Let me drop a little bit more. Okay. Now is interesting. So it is showing an empty heart right there. That means we start at 0. We add 4. for each card we add here. We start at 0. We add 4. So first is 0. This passes. Okay. Then we go to next. We are at 8 versus 4. This passes. Okay. We are now at, let's say, 9 versus 12. We should draw the small empty card. Maybe it's the equals? Okay, that's 1. That's 2. 3. 4. 5. Okay. Now it's working. Is it because I have a little bit less than the hard number? There we go. Let's compile that. Okay. No, it's working correctly. Okay. Yeah. Okay, it was the equals. Yeah. Unrelated question. If you had every skill you obtain from every game you played, how OP you think you would be? Well, I would be pretty much immortal. Because I have played games like, for example, Project Zomboid, where you learn how to build a base, like cleaning water, how to make clothes. I have played Minecraft. I have played Diablo. I had played Overwatch. I had played Valorant, if a little, but I have. I also played pretty much all the Zeldas. I have played Final Fantasy, Metroid, Castlevania, what else? Portal, Half-Life, what other games? Elden Ring, Dark Souls, just with the Final Fantasies, we are already getting a bit OP. I had played Ring World, the Tales of games, the Tales Symphonia, and the other Tales. I don't remember the names from the top of my head. I had played also the Atelier games, the ones where you are an alchemist. What else? I played a bunch of random indie games all over the place. I have played Path of Exile, Baldur Gates. Yeah. I have also played the Max Payne games, so I could enter bullet time at will. I also had played the Fear games that also has bullet time. The one called Super Hot. I also played that one. That also has bullet time. The Mana, the Legends of Mana series. What else? Yeah, I played the Persona games and the Shinigami Tensei games, and I managed to make a character immune to physical damage, like 100% immune. I also made one that could absorb heal from fire damage. I played the Fire Emblem games also, which would give me a bunch of pretty awesome passives. If it's just skills, I wouldn't be that OP, but if I had also the items, then I would be a monster, for sure. Because, for example, there is one game where I had pretty much Eternal Youth. Yeah. If I had every skill of every game I played, I would be pretty OP. Especially because I play the God games, like SimCity, and the Good and Evil games. What else? What would be pretty OP? I'm not sure. I think just with 2 or 3 RPGs, I would be a monster already. Yeah. Yeah, I'm probably going to have to implement the so you can actually see your health. Yeah, just ranking like 1 or 2 rules of the world is enough to make you pretty OP. For example, if you have, for example, immortality, that's enough to be pretty overpowered. Because if you can keep, for example, keep low and invest your money, even if you live as a normal person, eventually you will reach a point where you can you no longer need to work. And it will be pretty fast. It will be like within 100 years or something like that. For example, just the ability to fast travel is already incredibly OP, I would say. Even if it's just to anywhere you had been with that limitation, that would be pretty OP. Or for example, the ability to save and load, that's also pretty overpowered. Oh, I need to fix the pathfinding at some point. Yeah. You can actually heal here pretty easily because of the heart I place here. Ah. Ah, yeah. Oh, okay, I added the pink right there. Ah, I still need to add this. Oh, okay. A tic-tac-toe grid. Yeah. I think I'm going to... You have not lost a game of tic-tac-toe? Well, I haven't played tic-tac-toe like in, I don't know, more than 5 years. Yeah, definitely more than 5 years, for sure. Oh, I believe there is a I believe tic-tac-toe is a perfect sum game, right? So I believe if you go first and you play perfectly, you cannot lose. Yeah, I think at worst you draw. Yeah, but I'm not sure. One second, I'll be right back. I need to turn on the AC. I'll be right back. One moment. Okay, I'm back. I believe, let me check. Uh, uh, Game Theory. Yeah. I believe there is a perfect way to win. Also, great positions with finite amounts will fill up the grid with different combinations of 5 and zeros. Yeah, you can always throw. Yeah, there is a nice equilibria in the game. Yeah. Yeah. If X goes first, and if you go first with X and pick a one of the corners, if the other player doesn't pick the center, X the player with X will always win. Yeah. Right here. If X goes first and picks one of the corners, if the player doesn't pick the center, X will always win. Yeah. Yeah, if X chooses the center, the O player has to pick a corner or lose. It's called the Nash equilibrium in game theory. Yeah. Do you want to know of a game I made that also uses the Nash equilibrium? Let me see. Let me grab a notepad real quick just to show you. Let's see. Show notepads. Okay. Ignore that noise. These are the rules of the game. You have a tower of coins of n coins. It can be any number of coins you can choose. One player can do the next actions. You can pick between 1 to 4 coins from the tower and remove them. Then is the next player's turn. He can do that also. To win? Well, to lose. The player that picks the last coin loses. This is also a perfect equilibrium game. So you have a bunch of coins on top of another. And one can pick between 1 to 4. Depending on the number of coins in the tower, there is a perfect way to play. For example, we have what we call losing states and winning states. For example, the last coin is a lose. That means if it's your turn and there are 2 coins in the tower, you will win. If there are 3 coins, you will win. If there are 4 coins, you will win, right? The only moment you will lose is there is only 1 coin. When we are here on the 5th coin, no matter how many coins you pick, the other player can make you lose. Right here, this is a lose state. And then you have another 4 win states. And then another lose state. Hold on, one cat wants to leave the room. I'll be right back. Yeah, basically. For example, if you are player 1 and you have this tower, you can choose to pick just one coin, and the next one, if he starts here, if he picks 1, you can then pick 4. If he picks 2, you can pick 3. If he picks 3, you can pick 2. If he picks 4, you can pick 1. So he always starts on the lose condition. That's the trick. You have to keep the other player on the lose coin. So as long as you play perfectly and you don't make any mistakes, you can always win this game. Yeah. Yep. The one who goes first will win. And you can change these rules right here. And the only thing that will change is that it will move the lose condition up or down. Will change the spaces between lose and lose. Yeah, in tic-tac-toe you can make a draw. Here is either you win or lose. Yeah. It's pretty nice. I made this game at school while studying game theory. Yeah. Yeah, you can change the rule, how many coins each player has to take. And the only thing that changes is the distance between lose and lose. The only rule that you must keep always is that each player has to take at least one coin. With that, you make it no matter what the second rule is, as long as the first one remains like that, this structure will remain. Yeah. I also use it in family gatherings to win easily. Yeah. It's a nice thing about learning in game theory. You learn these kind of secrets behind the games. It's fun making those little games. Yeah, these kind of states are not desirable because if you implement an enemy with artificial intelligence, because the computer can calculate the perfect ways to play, it can make it so the player can never win. Yeah. Yeah, it's pretty interesting stuff. Actually, a lot of magic tricks, the ones that use cards or numbers, usually have something like this under the hood. That's how they work, basically. Using stuff like this, that kind of properties. Yeah. Okay. Let me see. I already did that. Already did this. But since I'm a bit tired, let's just stop here. Yeah. Let's do something else. Something to relax my brain. How about I play a little bit of on rails? Just to pass the time? When the magician says to pick any card, so you pick his credit card. I had never actually thought about that. That would be an awesome comeback. Let me silence. Hold on.
I have one thing waiting to be checked for a whole month.
Hold on. Hold on.
I have one thing waiting to be checked for a whole month.
Hold on.
Are you muted?
No, I am not. It should be capturing on Rails, but it doesn't look like it is. Okay, there we go. Let me restart. I want to make this go like that. And you can work on this, please. Actually, I can sell you to do that. Water, please. You can continue with the rails. Okay, you can continue forward all the way over there. Ah, I think I just maybe made a little tiny mistake. Okay. Water, please. You can do that. I didn't have the chance to check the novel. I had to go to the doctor to check myself. Luckily, it wasn't anything serious. It was just my stomach doing some weird stuff. Yeah, I will check it out. Don't worry. You can continue with that. By the way, that's a nice idea. I should make a channel for recommendations. Novel recommendations. You can work on that. That would be a good idea, actually. Yeah, maybe I should add a new section in the Discord that is exclusively for novels, mangas, and that kind of stuff. Yeah, that probably would be a good idea. Okay, I completely deforested the whole place. I usually start a novel and only stop when I run out of things to read in the novel. Yeah. You can work on that. Let's make it like this. And you can work on that. Let me move. Thank you. Nice, I can see again. Ah. Okay, I need this thing. You like to see the protagonist suffer? Really? There is plenty of space over here. I don't know why it says it can move. Huh. That's odd. Really? Robot? Work on the tracks, please. I like stories with what to call it? Sort of nice pacing. I don't like when the protagonist is a bit too OP to be for him to have any challenge. I like it more when the protagonist actually has trouble. With stuff. Yeah, where they are not so OP that everything is super easy. I don't like it with none of the side characters can do anything without the protagonist. I find that a bit annoying. Because why do you have side characters if they are doing nothing? Pretty much. It reminds you of something? The protagonist is like the hero's son. Each player has to chop a tree. Okay. Ah. He finds his father's sword. Oh, I see. So basically the Demon Lord was stuck in the sword ever since? No. Where the heck did that guy refill the bucket? So the Limburg Lord starts training him? Like actual physical training, not fantasy training?
Acopoda Camarel Pastel con más azúcar del que el aprobado en toda mi vida XD.
Bienvenido. Bienvenido, bienvenido. Suena que o lo disfrutaste mucho o la pasaste mal. Ah, shit. I got stuck. Bueno, ahí ya no puedes culpar a nadie. Yeah, you cannot really blame anyone then. Restock, please. Yo no he tomado refresco en mucho tiempo, la verdad. Bueno, no es cierto. De vez en cuando. Pero así de vicio, no. La verdad. Did the guy being trained by the Demon Lord achieve anything? Or he just became better? And that's it. New character unlocked. I want this. Run away from home after an incident. I wonder what was an incident? I couldn't say I know the feeling. Nunca me ha pasado eso con el refresco, la verdad. No estoy tan... no tengo tanta adicción. After. Well, if you think I will enjoy that, pass me the name of the novel. Actually, let me finish this and I will create the Discord for suggestions. Yeah. Si tienes hambre constante, a lo mejor tienes un bicho en el estómago. Un desparasitante sería buena idea, tal vez. Yo también ando mal del estómago. Pero lo mío es una infección. In overall, you like the protagonist? That's nice. Usually the protagonists are not very likable. In general. Okay, I don't know where to go from here, which is a bit of an issue. Ah, there we go. So I'm going to go do this. Okay. Macho protein. If he has honor, I probably will like it. Yeah. At least as a character, I would. Yeah. Also add the other novels, so I don't forget about them. Ah, I forgot to do the objective. Damn it. Okay. Let's go straight down and to the right. That's fine, that's fine. Ah, I see the thing over there. Uh, Okay, I'm progressing smoothly, it seems. Very nicely. Should I try to go over there? Yay! Nice. I don't know what's going to happen, but oh, oh yeah, this place. Okay, I need you to make those. I'm going to grab this, and I need to place this to go straight through this. Ah, I didn't notice the goal. Ah, did I die? Oops. Ouch. Actually, I can just set this to go right there. Ah, I died again. Ah, I died again. I keep ignoring my oxygen. Yeah, got it. Okay, everything is going fairly well. Let me just complete this real quick. Okay. We'll continue straight. Ah, did I die? Whoops. Eh. Okay, I'm going to place this over here so I can keep it going. Oh, those orange things are the ones that explode. Okay, understood. Oh, I moved just in time. Okay, I need to move this over here and down over there, right up there. Okay. Ah, you're right. It's time already. It's actually going pretty nicely. Funny enough. Okay, from here we go straight up to there and then up. I died. Damn it. Can you even make it? Okay, this is getting silly. Come on. Come on. Why is taking you? Okay, GG. The robot didn't know what to do. Sadly. Yeah. Okay. Let's stop here.
Unrelated question: if you had every skill you obtained from every game you played, how up do you think you would be?
Very OP. Overwhelmingly OP.
Acopoda Camarel Pastel con Mas Azucar del que el aprobado en toda mi vida XD.
XT. I think I maybe need to have something like a list of users with their preferred language, so it reads the things correctly. Maybe that would be a nice idea. Sería una buena idea agregar tal vez que recuerde el último lenguaje que eligiste. Eso sería interesante. So it reads things correctly. Yeah. Or maybe I could just set it to a random language. That would be interesting also. To hear some weird stuff being read aloud. Out loud. Yeah. Ok, voy a parar aquí para ir a cenar. I'm going to stop here so I can go have something to eat. Yeah, I think I will prefer random, to tell you the truth. Yeah, I will see you then next time. Buenas noches. Los veo mañana para jugar un juego de terror. Yeah. Y voy a agregar al canal un nuevo canal a Discord por si quieren poner sugerencias de novelas o mangas. Yeah. You could put it in general for now. Yeah, that's fine also. Ok. Entonces, nos vemos mañana. Buenas noches. Good night. Bye bye. Adiós. Bye bye. Bye bye. Night night. Bye. Goodbye. Good night. Bye bye. Bye. Buenas noches. Goodbye. Adiós.